1. Think over the topic and collect suitable material carefully. 2. Write to the point in a direct and straight manner. 3. Be clear and brief.
4. Write grammatically correct sentences. 5. The irrelevant points should be avoided. 6. Write your ideas and thoughts in your own style.
7. Do not use too much ands, whens and hens. 8. The first paragraph should introduce the subject, it should be attractive. 9. Avoid long introduction, definition, repetition, arithmetical figures, abbreviations and big words. 10. The body of the essay should be impressive. 11. The conclusion should be good and satisfying. 12. Revise carefully what you have written, correcting all errors.